Struggling to manage your money? Want to take control of your finances without the stress? Today, I'm sharing the one budgeting method that can simplify your life and help you save smarter, the 50-30-20th rule. Stay tuned because this might just change your financial future. Hi, and welcome back to Financially Savvy. If you're new here, this channel is all about making smart money moves and helping you achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. Now, let's dive right into the 50-30-20th rule and how it can transform the way you manage your money. What is the 50-30-20th rule? The 50-30-20th rule is a simple budgeting strategy that divides your income into three categories. 50% for needs like housing, groceries, and bills. 30% for wants such as dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. 20% for savings and debt repayment. This framework helps you prioritize spending while building a secure financial future. Step 1. Calculate your income. The first step is to know your net income. That's the amount you take home after taxes. Let's say you earn $4,000 per month. Using the 50-30-20th rule, $2,000 goes to needs, $1,200 to wants, $800 to savings or debt repayment. Overlay a visual breakdown of these numbers as you explain. Step 2. Define needs versus wants. This is where people often get confused. Needs are essentials. Think rent, utilities, and basic groceries. Wants, on the other hand, are non-essentials, like that daily latte or the latest Netflix subscription. Pro tip: always be honest about what truly falls into each category. Add examples to clarify gray areas like, is gym membership a need or a want? Step 3. Automate savings. One of the easiest ways to stick to the 50-30-20th rule is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers so that 20% of your income goes straight to a savings account or investment portfolio. This way, you won't even miss it. Step 4. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Maybe your rent takes up more than 50% of your income, or unexpected expenses throw off your plan. That's okay. The 50-30-20th rule is flexible. Adjust as needed, but always aim to save at least 20%. Step 5. Real-life example. Let's look at an example. Suppose Jane earns $3,000 a month. She spends $1,400 on needs, $800 on wants, and saves $600. Using this framework, she's on track to build an emergency fund and invest for her future. Conclusion. And there you have it. The 50-30-20th rule is one of the simplest ways to take control of your finances. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. By applying this rule, you'll feel more confident and empowered about your money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone who might need it. Also, let me know in the comments, what budgeting tips work for you? I'd love to hear your strategies. See you next time on Financially Savvy. Until then, stay smart, stay savvy.